Hello friends, welcome back to Jet Plus Academy channel. Just after last time, after lockdown, Jet Plus Academy is going to be appear for helping all my students, all my subscribers, and cooperate all my channel supporters, and just to wish love and affection to all my fans of Jet Plus Academy, not only in India and every nook and corner of this world. First topic after lockdown, I am going to tell you what turns examination are going to be held for 9th and 10th class board examination. Very keen information I am going to provide all of you that all the questions what are going to be appeared in examination paper that will be only NCERT based. So please just go through every word, every classes, every sentences of NCERT book of any subject. Definitely 100% you will answer this in my opinion. ये मैं मंत्र दे रहा हूँ, just I am giving you the central idea about the examination that whatever examination you are going to face in every subject, that will be only NCERT based. There will be no wild appearance of any question. So please, all my students, just concentrate your vision only on NCERT pattern. Okay, and if you are going to just acquire and combine your level and the talent on comprehensive level, then so many reference books of Indian writers and foreign writers who are researchers and scientists in all subjects, those are available. You can read and just exert from that. Right? Now I am giving you something about the cell in biology. What is cell? Cell. Koshika. In Hindi, this is known as Koshika. Right? Discovery of cell. First and foremost thing I am going to tell you, as there are two types of world. One is living world. Only just I am giving you introduction. One is living, other is non-living world. Other is non-living world. Right? In living world, fundamental, structural and functional unit, that is cell. In living world, for structural and functional unit is cell. Fundamental, this is fundamental, basic. Fundamental, structural and functional. Unit is cell. Like the same in non-living world, the fundamental and structural functional unit, the same thing is atom. That you know, Parmanu in Hindi, right? Living world, this is cell, and in non-living, this is atom. But extremely amazing and interesting fact about the Homo sapiens knowledge, whatever up to this time this blue planet has acquired, that atoms and molecules just conspired. Atoms and molecules, which are the building blocks of all non-living worlds, those are the producers of life on this planet. You know, O'Brien and Helen theory. The same I am telling you. The in living, fundamental, structural and functional unit is cell, and in non-living, fundamental, structural and functional unit is atom. Both are defining the living and non-living world in their own spheres, right? Now there are some few entitlements about the cell that I am going to tell you. Discovery of cell. Discovery of cell was done by English biologist Robert Hooker, right? And his object study, object lesson, object from which he just defined and discovered the cell, that was cork cells. You know, these are non-living, means dead plant cells made of dead plant cells made up of cellulose, right? As Robert Hooker discovered the cell, and for the first time in the history of cell study, he gave the theory about the cell. That's why he is known as father of cytology. He is known as father of cytology. Father of cytology. Cytology means study of cell, right? And the term cell too, even the term cell too is given by Robert Hooker. And cell term is coined. Cell term is coined by Robertson, and all his achievements, all his studies about the cell was published in his own personal book, that is Micrographia. Micrographia, his own individual book he published about the cell, right? And there are few entitlements regarding the cell. I am going to express all of you, and these are the extremely important. Whatever you are going to face academic examinations or any competitive or general studies, not only in India and every corner of this world, you will face and meet with all these points and contents. What are those I am going to tell you now. Physical security of the cell. In plant cell, that is cell wall. In plant cell wall just secure the entire cell, right? And in animal cell, this is cell membrane. Cell membrane. This is the first physical security that is provided to the cell by cell wall in plant cell and by cell membrane in animal cell, right? Next is powerhouse. Powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Why do you say powerhouse? You know, energy just needed for performing all metabolic activities, that is to say catabolic and anabolic activities, that is come from respiration. What is respiration? Means just oxidation of fat and carbohydrate. These are energy components of your food. Then this cellular respiration is just centered in mitochondria, and that form of energy is produced in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So you are living, we are living just due to the energy gained by the respiration of fat and carbohydrate molecules, right? After oxidation. That's why mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Next is skeletal system. Skeletal system, in as we have skeletal system in our body, well developed multicellular organism have full developed skeletal body. This skeletal system in cell is made and maintained by endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum, right? Then skeletal system of the cell, in short, E.R. Endoplasmic reticulum. Now suicidal bags. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags. Lysosomes. These have positive and negative character both. But especially these are designed in the cell for positive performance, just the for the digestion of all food components inside the cell. But when there is abnormal and just odd circumstances, these lysosomes secrete such type of enzymes that even devour the entire cell. That's why these are known as suicidal dyes. Next, protein synthesis are done just on endoplasmic reticulum. Those are ribosomes. Ribosomes, right? Next, headquarter of the cell, nucleus. Nucleus is known as headquarter of the cell, right? It is because as our central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system govern and control and coordinate all my activities of the body, of my life. Inside our this cranial sphere, just like the same in nucleus, every activities of the cell is governed, controlled, coordinated. That's why nucleus is known as headquarter of the cell. Now next, kitchen. You know, in plant cell, chloroplast. Chloroplast is the main center where photosynthesis is done. And photosynthesis is the only process that makes the survival of all living world. So, since life is just based on the process of photosynthesis done by the site of chloroplast inside a plant cell, that's why this is known as kitchen of the cell, right? Chloroplast. So, this very few information, please. I have given all of you. So please, if these informations look somewhat essential and informative for all of you students, my subscribers, my fans and channel supporters, please like and subscribe the channel, promote in maximum numbers for maximum number of likes and subscribes and shares. Please, we are meeting very soon with new videos in new way, in new energy, right? And at every step in every subject, just I will provide all of you best of the best information. Thank you. We are meeting very soon. Love you.